Working with Hadoop. These are the objectives of this course. Importing incremental data from RDBMS to HDFS and from RDBMS to Hive. Exporting incremental data from Hive to RDBMS and from HDFS to RDBMS. Hive partitioning, bucketing, and indexing. Creating Hive tables for different file formats. Developing the Pig Latin scripts in Pig. Scheduling the Oozie workflow using Coordinator, scheduling the Oozie sub workflow using Coordinator, Flume integration with HDFS, reading data from HDFS to Spark 1.x, and reading and loading data from Hive to Spark 1.x using Spark SQL. Hadoop is an open source software framework for storing data and running applications on clusters of commodity hardware. It provides a massive storage for any kind of data, enormous processing power, and the ability to handle virtually limitless concurrent tasks or jobs. In this course, you will learn about Hadoop components, incremental import and export using Sqoop, explore on databases in Hive with different data transformations, illustrations of Hive partitioning, bucketing, and indexing. You will get to know about Apache Pig with its features and functions, Pig user-defined functions, data sampling and debugging, working with Oozie workflow and sub-workflows, shell action, scheduling and monitoring the coordinator, Flume with its features, building blocks of Flume, API access to the Cloudera manager, Scala program with examples, Spark ecosystem and its components, and data units in Spark. This course is designed for database and data warehouse developers, any technical personnel looking to explore the features of big data and its tools, big data developers and architects, and finally, data scientists and analysts. The following are the prerequisites for this course. You should have completed the course on Hadoop fundamentals. You must have a basic knowledge on Java programming. You must have a working knowledge on database systems and warehouses. You must have a basic knowledge on Python programming and some knowledge on basic Linux commands. The following are the lessons and practice activities of this course. Lesson 1 deals with working with Sqoop and has 2 activities. Lesson 2 deals with working with Hive and has 1 practice activity. Lesson 3 deals with data storage and performance in Hive. It has 4 activities. Lesson 4 deals with troubleshooting and optimization in Pig and has 1 activity. Lesson 5 deals with Oozie and has 2 practice activities. Lesson 6 takes us to Flume and has 1 activity. Lesson 7 deals with the Cloudera administration and has 2 practice activities. And lastly, Lesson 8 introduces us to Scala and Apache Spark and has 2 practice activities. Your practice environment must be set up with the Docker desktop and MySQL connector for Java. In summary, from this lesson, you have got a detailed course objective, a course description based on these objectives, the target audience, the prerequisites, the course schedule, and the practice environment used in the activities of this course.